Maayong adlaw mga higala. This is Judy, your Maestra. I teach Conversational Bisaya Cebuano in this channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to say "What else do you want?" in Bisaya. Unsa pa man imong gusto? Unsa pa man imong gusto? Unsa pa man imong gusto? The shortcut will be what else? Unsa pa or unsa pa man, unsa pa or unsa pa man. Now let's break this down. What else is unsa pa? Unsa pa. The pa here means action is still being done or hasn't begun yet. Man is a particle commonly used with question words. It can also be an emphasis or to make the sentence more polite, but you have to watch the tone of your voice to sound more polite. Imong is you. Imong is a contracted word for imo plus the nga linker. Imong, imo nga. Want is gusto. Gusto. Now let's have a recap. And please repeat after me. Unsa pa man imong gusto? Unsa pa man imong gusto? Now let's go to the short version. Unsa pa or unsa pa man. Unsa pa man. There you go, guys. That's how to say what else do you want in Bisaya Cebuano. Mga higala, if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. Please, if you want to learn more, go over to my site, cebuano101.com. I hope to see you there. Bye for now.